I was actually in an interior room, and it was supposed to accommodate 5 guests. My room was it 7210? And it was not bad. I have cruised before, and the rooms were smaller than this. It was one large king bed, and then there were like these, I would say like kind of like bunk bed style type of beds up top. When I arrived, it was pretty clean for the most part. I checked the bathroom, I checked everything. It had a safe in there, a TV, have where you could be able to store your luggage, hang up some stuff if you like. Like some cruise channel stations where you would get like information, and they even had where they had cameras set up where you could be able to see like how busy certain areas was at the time. That was really neat. Regular channels, they had CBS News, the Food Network, HGTV, Travel Channel, Nick for the kids, Discovery Channel. Cartoon Network was also another channel that was on there for the children. I'm gonna be honest, it's not a whole lot of variety, but who the hell gonna be in their room watching TV, child? Okay, I know you ain't about to complain about no TV when you can watch TV at home. You on vacation.